Hey everyone, Professor Lawrence here. I wanted to do a brief video this week for the discussion board thesis statement exercise. I put together this really brief step-by-step guide that I'm going to walk you through. This week you'll be reviewing and reflecting on the research that you've done so far, and you'll be putting together a rough thesis statement and outline that you'll be using for the next 3 weeks. This is for the persuasion essay, which is your last writing assignment for the semester. So I just want to start with this step that the lectures are telling you about this week, which is to work with your master topic. So for example, I'm choosing animal research, and you're going to write 4 different, it's in a grid, but you can just do this as bullet points, but 4 different ways to look at your topic. So one way is as an informative topic. So you can take a broad approach, such as animal research is used in the medical field to study diseases and search for cures. So that's just a broad statement about animal research. Then the other part of the grid is the informative, the specific statement. So you're going to want to hone in on one aspect of your broad topic. So instead of just saying animal research, I can say mice and other laboratory animals have been instrumental in the development of organ transplantation. So the organ transplantation is more specific than just saying study diseases. So that's the informative thesis statement. For the purpose of this writing assignment that you'll be putting in the week 4 discussion board, as well as thinking about for your next writing assignment, you're going to be doing persuasion or taking a position on an argument. So there's always 2 points of view. And just like with the informative thesis statements, you can do a broad argument. So one example, this would be taking the pro side, being in favor of animal research. You might say animal research is necessary to develop new medicines and advance scientific knowledge. So that those words "is necessary" are stating your position. Then you could take the opposite point of view, which is known as the con or opposing point of view or counterpoint. Animal research should be banned because it is inhumane, costly, and unpredictable. So the should be banned is what makes it a persuasion or an argument. And then there's specific. So you can, just like with the informative, get a little bit more specific. So animal testing is necessary to find the cure for cancer. That's obviously the pro position. And then the counterpoint to that, alternative research methods such as computer simulation and human tissue studies should replace animal testing. So that gets a little bit more specific with alternatives. So then moving to the outline, I'm going to choose that broad thesis statement. Animal research should be banned because it's costly, unpredictable, and humane. So the way you write your thesis statement, these 3 pieces can become the body of your essay. So you'll have a bullet point for the first one, costs associated with animal research, a bullet point about being unpredictable. So I'm going to say laboratory setting doesn't translate to the real world, and findings are unpredictable. You could have a couple of bullet points for each of those. And then lastly, the inhumane part, the ethical issues. So those 4 bullet points are going to guide the body of my essay. So you really want to think about how you're going to organize your thesis statement, put it in the order of least important to most important. So for me, I would say ethical issues are most important. So that's what I'm going to end with. And you want 3 to 5 key points or bullet points for the body of your essay. So this is what you're going to be working on for your discussion board post this week, as well as think about for your writing assignment for the last half of this semester. All right, good luck with everything. I hope that all makes sense, and I look forward to reading your posts in the discussion board. Bye for now.